think about water, what has your relationship looked like? Just tell us your story.
Us as a species all depend on the same elements like water and air and sunlight and stuff. So, and we're constantly like being affected by water in terms of like dehydration or emotion, like we cry water.
I'm interested, like, what would bring you guys to the Riverwalk here? What would make you guys play here?
Dear water, if we treat you right, then you'll last longer. If no one talks about the real, then we gotta. Chemicals pollute and even our tap water, lakes, ocean, and seas, passing it on to the other MCs.
Some ideas that I kind of want to include into my project are like basically using recycled material to create the image that I want to create. I have some photos of the lake and places that I want to recreate with like recycled materials. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And my message is kind of to show people like all of the stuff that we're throwing into our own lake and like how we're affecting our own environment.
Dear water, although they alter you, you never falter. Not a dollar to your name, but you're rich with honor.
Dear water, almighty H2O, lakes, rivers, and oceans, I really love to listen to your flow.
Dear water, be the god to save this queen, so this queen can save the prince, so the prince doesn't have to be the court gesture.
Dear water, thank you for always hydrating me. You keep my mind creative and my body moving.